Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Today is the release of the Foam Runner June 8th. Yes, Wednesday today. And you need to check your Adidas app if you want to get the Yeezy Basketball Knit SLATE AZURE colorway. It is 17,800 pesos. That is around $360. And I know in some countries like in the US it is 300 only, but here in the Philippines it is 360. 17,800 June 10. Check your Adidas app. So there, if you want to join, definitely I will not get this because it is too expensive. So there you go. So, let's talk about the Yeezy Basketball Knit. If you are familiar with the Quantum, you can tell that the midsole of this Yeezy Basketball Knit is like the Quantums. You can tell from the heel side and from the plastic that supports the midsole, and you can tell that is Boost. And the upper is this knit upper of the compact, the 350 compact. I made a full review of the Yeezy compact and it is very comfy considering how soft but still durable this knit upper. It is very stretchable, it hugs your foot very well, and it's not too snug, it's not too tight. That's why I like it compared to the regular 350 V2. This knit is a game changer in my opinion. It may not look aesthetically pleasing to your own fashionable criteria, but for me, all I want is something that is comfy, something that I can wear for at least 8 hours. And this is it, guys. It's not like the 350 V2 that you can feel the compression over an hour. And you can tell that the upper of this Yeezy Basketball Knit is like this one. And it has that support on the ankle. So there you go. And looking at it, I think they made the right material in my opinion. They used this kind of knit in order to give that nice hug. At the same time, it is lighter. That is one thing that I love about this knit upper compared to the Quantums. They made the Quantums a basketball model. However, it is too heavy considering the upper of the Quantum is too thick and it's not stretchable at all, and it doesn't hug your foot very well compared to this knit upper. So for me, looking at this one, and as I experience in my own opinion, the knit of this, I think this will be a good basketball Yeezy model if you want to try it on court. However, it is expensive. 17,800 here in the Philippines. Like I said, it is almost 360, and I know in the US it's 300. Guys, that is too much. You can buy other basketball shoes if you want it. But yes, if you are a Yeezy collector, or if you are someone who likes to try on this Yeezy model, I think this is not that bad. But the price is too high again. But if you are willing to shell out, I think this will sit. I think there will be no resale value. I think people will not buy it. So go follow or participate in the Adidas app or in other store release. So there you go, guys. I think the midsole of this one will be also heavy, but at the same time it will be well balanced. because of the knit upper. That's why, yes, I think this is a good model. I think since I like this Yeezy Compact and that upper with that midsole support that has boost, I don't want to say that it is worth it because it's too expensive. So there you go, guys. If you want to copy it sizing, my normal suggestion, and for me the safest, is to go half size up. I made a video about this showing you wearing it on feet, and other videos like the Quantums, I always suggest to go half size up. For example, if I am a size 8.5, 8.5, that is my true to size. I always go to my safe size in Yeezy, which is size 9. Size 8.5 to size 9. That is my suggestion. Go half size up. I don't think you need to go full size up. Just half size up is good enough. But going true to size, I know it will maybe become too tight or no space or wiggle room. So that is my suggestion. I don't need to talk about resale because I think this will sit. If you want to know what is the resale value, go check out StockX. Probably this will go below retail like the Quantums. So there you go. Nothing bad about that. But yes, do you really need a basketball shoe? That is the next question. Do you need a Yeezy basketball shoe? I don't know. But yes, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Go follow Yeezy Influence if you want to know what is the next release. He posted that there will be a desert sand colorway of the Yeezy Foam Runner. There's no post or they didn't put it yet in the Adidas app, the desert sand. I think it will be probably location exclusive, Europe or America or Yeezy Supply. But go check out Yeezy Influence for more updates, and go also follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button, and see you in another video.